Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to submit your WordPress website to Google. When you submit your WordPress website to Google, your website will start appearing in Google search results. After logging to your WordPress dashboard, from the dashboard on the left side, click on this plugins option and click on add new plugin. Now in the search bar type Sitekit by Google. So you need to install this plugin like Sitekit by Google Analytics, Search Console, AdSense and Speed. So click on install option and click on activate. Once you install and activate the Google Sitekit, you will see a new menu items on your dashboard called like G Sitekit. Like this is Google Sitekit. Please select this option on the left side. So now we need to connect our Google Analytics like a Sitekit by Google Analytics to our Google Search Console. In order to connect it, so after selecting the G Sitekit, you need to select this option, connect Google Analytics as a part of your setup, and you need to sign in with your Gmail account. Click on this sign in with Google account. Before you submit your website to the Google Search Console, you need to log into your website from your Chrome browser, log into your required email ID. Okay, so now select this your email ID. You need to give access and click on this continue option and click on continue. You need to grant the required permissions as shown here. Okay, now click on verify option and also click on this allow option. Next you need to click on this setups search console option and click on next option. We have now given the necessary permissions and we need to create a Google Analytics account. So click on this option and please do select this setup new account option. And here when you select this setup new account option, you will see here account your website name and property means it is also your website name, and web data stream you need to enter your website name. By default it will be automatically inserted your website detail names. Okay, here you can give your like a Google Analytics account name, and here property and website data streams you need to enter your domain name over here. Okay, please do select your country from the drop down and select your time zone also, and enable this and click on this create account option. And now again you need to grant the necessary permissions that you need to submit for the Google Search Console. Now select this your email ID, click on this continue option and click on continue option again. And here you will be redirected to this page, and here you need to select your country. So I will select my country as India, and you need to accept these terms and conditions. Please scroll down, and here you can see I also accept this, and please scroll down again once again, and you need to accept this also, this option also, and you can you don't need to enable these options. Okay, and click on this accept option. If you are not able to click on this accept option, check whether you accepted these terms and conditions or not for this both options. Okay, and after that click on this I accept option and click on this go to my dashboard option. So once verified, Google will create a search console property for your site if one doesn't already exist. Okay, and after setup you will be redirected to this page and click on this maybe later option. Before going into video, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Balasagar and I am WordPress web developer with 7 years of experience. If your business needs website designing services, please do call or WhatsApp to this number. I design business website, e-commerce, online stores, real estate, restaurant, and all types of category websites. For consultation or WordPress related issues and queries, please do contact or WhatsApp me. You can click link in the description below to WhatsApp me directly. And now here you can see we have successfully submitted our website to the Google Search Console. From here you can gather all the data. It will take at least 5 or 6 days or 1 week to display all the details that you are getting traffic to your website. So from this panel you can check like how many clicks you are getting from Google, which keywords people are searching, top performing pages, conversions and index reports. Everything you can view the details, metrics, every data you can view in the Google Search Console from your WordPress website. And after submitting your website to the Google Search Console, you need to create a sitemap. Okay, so in order to create a sitemap, you need to install another plugin. Go to on the left side, go to plugins option, click on add new plugin, and in search bar type sitemap. Please do install this XML sitemap generator for Google option. Click on this install now option, click on activate. And after installing this sitemap, so you need to visit your website. On your website link on the end, after your like domain name, please enter slash and enter sitemap.xml/ and please do click on enter. And now your websites create sitemaps in your website. The sitemaps helps Google discover and index your site faster. Okay, so after generating the sitemap, we need to submit sitemap to the Google Search Console. In order to submit sitemap to the Google Search Console, open new tab and type Search Console. Now go to Google Search Console tools, and here click on this start now option, and here you can see we have submitted this myportfoliowebdesign.com website to the Google Search Console. And here on the left side you can see sitemap option. Please do click on this sitemap option. Here you need to add this text like sitemap.xml. Please do copy this and enter over here and click on submit option. And here you can see sitemap submitted successfully. Okay, and the status will show after 1 or 2 hours. You can do this option and it will show status as success. Okay, By using this sitemap, you can Google discovers how many pages are available in your website, how many posts are available, how many portfolios are available in your websites, and this helps for SEO also, these sitemaps. Okay. When you go to this overview option, it is a free tool. Like Google Search Console is a free tool that helps you monitor, maintain, and troubleshoot your site's performance in Google Search Console. Okay, from here you can view all the details like performance, and here you can see what are the queries or you're getting to your website and which pages are getting. Now get back to the WordPress dashboard, and here you can see, and now that's it. You have successfully connected your WordPress website to the Google Search Console using the essential method possible, Google Sitekit. This is a huge first step forward getting your website found on Google and improving your search visibility. If you feel like this video provided you value, please do like and subscribe my channel, WordPress related tips and web designing courses and videos. Please do comment in the video if you have any doubts on WordPress related issues. I will definitely make a video. It will help you. Thank you.